how to master the CapCut PC timeline in 5 minutes. So if you want to master the CapCut PC timeline in 5 minutes, then first you just need to open up your CapCut application, go with the search and search for CapCut, and you can go with an existing project or a new project. So I'll be choosing an existing project. Once you've chosen here, you can simply click on the plus icon and then you can add that to your timeline. So this is your timeline, right? So under your timeline here on the upper left, you will have all of these options. So if you go with the arrow option, go with the drop down, and from here you can simply click on the select option, and then this video will be selected. So if you press A on your keyboard, then it will select the video, and if you click on split, then it will split it, and if you click on select leftward, then the mouse cursor, where you have the mouse cursor on the left side of that, you will have videos, right? So it will select all of the videos that you have on your left side of your mouse cursor. And same thing goes with the select rightward, and after that here you will have undo option. So you can simply go with undo if you have any wrong editing going on, then you can simply go with undo and it will undo your editings. Or you can also go with redo or reset, and after that here you will have split option. So if you click on split, then it will split the video. And then if you go to delete left, then you will have this line, right, this cursor. So if you simply place the cursor and if you press or click on the delete left option, then it will delete the left side of your video from where you have your cursor. And just like that, it's same thing with the delete right. So if you click on delete right, it will delete the right side of that video. And if you go with delete, so simply click on a video and then go with delete, and it will delete that video. And if you click on the video, then here you will have an option of add marker, so that you can add a marker to, and then you can go with the freeze option. So if you click on freeze, then it will freeze the video. And here you will have reverse option. By simply clicking on reverse, it will reverse the video. So click on reverse and it will reverse the clip. It might take some time and it will reverse the clip. And here you will have mirror option. So if you click on the mirror, then it will simply make a mirror image of that video. So here you will have this image, right? So if you click on the mirror option, then it will change image to a mirror image. You can simply choose any angle that you would like. And here you will have rotate option. You can click on rotate and it will rotate the image or the video. And here you will have resize. By simply clicking on resize, you can resize the image that you have on your CapCut. You can adjust the location and you can add the crop ratio, and you can also resize it from here and go with confirm, and you will resize that video. And here from here you can remove the filler words, but this is only for the pro version. So this is with the timeline with the upper left side, and here on the bottom left you will have all of these options. So you can simply click on the lock option if you want to lock track. By simply locking the track, you can't split or you can't delete or you can't do anything on that video. So if you want to unlock, you can again click on unlock the track and your track has been unlocked. And if you go with the eye-shaped icon, then it will hide the track, and now the track is hidden. And if you want to unhide it, then you can again click on the eye icon. And this is the volume icon. You can simply mute the track if you don't want any sound on your track or on your video. It will mute. And you can go with the three dots, and here you will have track height and audio waveform size. So if you go with track height, you can choose short if you want the track to be short like this, or you can go with the default, which is this one, or you can go with the tall, which is this much. So you can simply choose the track size. So I'll be choosing default for now. And you can go with the audio waveform size, which is 30, 60, and 100. So if you choose 60, then this is the audio. Like on the middle of the video, you will have a separation line. So on the upper side, you will have the video, and on the lower side, you will have the audio. So if you have any audios to your video, then you can see the audio. So I have an audio to this video right here. So here you can see a wave-like thing, which is the audio track. So if you click on the audio wave size, then you can adjust the wave size. So you can go with 100 to see the audio wave. So I'll be choosing 30, which is normal. And you can add a cover. Click on edit cover, and then you can edit a cover to your video. So you can add different covers which CapCut will recommend you, or you can go with the vlog, travel. You can search with any cover design that you would like. So if you choose a cover design, then it will start generating the cover design, and you will have this kind of interface. So you can simply choose the filters, and you can go with save, which is here on the bottom right. Click on save, and here you will have your cover design. So once you exported the video, then you will have this cover design on your video. And now let's go with the right side of our timeline. So here you will have the microphone option. Simply click on the microphone, and if you want to add a voiceover, then you can simply add a voiceover. You can go with echo reduction, new project, or enhance the voice, or you can adjust the volume. So you can simply add a voiceover, and you can go with the turn off main track magnet. So if you click on that, then it will turn off the main track magnet. And here you will have all of these options, like this is the main track magnet, and this one is auto snapping, and this one is linkage. So if you want to add any linkages, you can turn it on. And here you will have the preview axis. So if you move your cursor, then you don't have anything, right? But if you want to have the preview axis, then you can simply click on the preview axis. And if you move the cursor, then you will have the preview axis, which will make your editing way more easier. So you can simply turn on the preview axis. And here you will have zoom to fit timeline. So if you press Z or shift plus Z, then it will zoom to fit in the timeline. And here you can have the zoom in and zoom out option. So if you simply click on zoom out, then it will zoom out the video that you have on your timeline. And if you click on the plus, then it will zoom in. So this was all about the timeline on CapCut PC. Hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.